It's been 8 months only since the launch of Mi Band 4 in India, and now you guys want Mi Band 5 कब आएगा इंडिया में और क्या क्या फीचर्स होंगे. So today in this video we will discuss like what are the functions of Mi Band 4 और जो Geek Doing forum पे recently पोस्ट किया गया है, और ये ऑफिशियल फॉरम है लाइक जहाँ पे Mi Band के डिटेल्स सबसे पहले पोस्ट किए जाते हैं. So we'll discuss this particular details in this video. So without wasting further more time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, this band will be coming in two variants. The one is the global variant, the second one is the Chinese variant. The global variant name is the York version or like York variant, and the second variant, that is the Chinese variant, name is the Kongming variant. So thoda naam ajeeb sa hai na. So we'll discuss what are the things that we'll get in this particular two variants. The first variant is the global version. In the global variant of the Mi Band 5, we will get an SpO2 support. It is nothing but is an oxygen blood level sensor, and this particular sensor we have seen in Honor Band 5. So it is a great sensor for just counting the blood oxygen level on your blood. So yeah, now coming to the second version, that is the Chinese version, we will get an NFC support. So yeah, it is supporting NFC, but there is a downgrade, like it is not having an SpO2 sensor. I don't know why it's not having, but yeah, it's not having in it. It is having an Mi AI speaker. So yeah, it is triggable with the Mi AI assistant, which is not coming to India anytime soon. I'm pretty much sure about it. Now let's talk about the features of Mi Band 5. This time Mi Band 5 will be available with calendar. So now we guys can go ahead into the Mi Band 5 and simply trigger out the calendar thing, and we can just find out the dates and all the month related thing onto the screen of Mi Band 5 only. The second feature we will have here is the camera feature. So camera feature aisa nahi hai like we will get a camera into the band. The camera feature is like it can connect to your mobile phone, and you can trigger out like you can use your band as a shutter button on your camera, like on your mobile phone camera. So this particular feature was present in Mi Band 4 but was not enabled officially. You can enable it officially, like not officially but unofficially by third-party applications, but this time it is available officially in Mi Band 5. This time it is supporting DND feature. So DND feature is kind of old feature. It was available in Mi Band 4, like it is available on Mi Band 4, but this time it is having something new. That is, you can set timing as per your preference, like 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour or 3 hour for the DND mode activation. It is having a feature of menstruation cycle. So yeah, it is most beneficial for females. Females can get information about fertile periods, ovulation days and predicted menstrual periods. So yeah, it can predict all those things. Now coming to the activity intelligence, so yeah, it supports PAI. So PAI एक ऐसा फीचर है जो Mi Band 4 में भी प्रेजेंट था, बट वो इनेबल नहीं किया गया था. बट दिस टाइम Mi Band 5 is having this feature, that is personal activity intelligence. You will get a world clock into it, in which we just have to go to MiFit application, and inside MiFit application we need to put the cities or location, and after that we can just access that particular world clock in our Mi Band 4 only, or sorry, Mi Band 5 only. Now before moving to the next part of the video, if you guys have not subscribed to this channel, then hit that red subscribe button and get subscribed to it. Now let's move to the activities feature in this particular Mi Band 5. So activities feature में total 11 features आपको देखने को मिलेंगे, जिसमें से 5 ऐसे features हैं जो totally new हैं as compared to Mi Band 4. So we are going to discuss all those 5 features जो काफी नए हैं इस particular Mi Band 5 में. You will get an elliptical machine feature. In this feature you can just simply go ahead and calculate the workout that you have done in elliptical trainer machine, and yeah, it's kind of good. You will get a rowing machine feature as well. तो आप rowing पे अगर जितना ज़्यादा भी यूज़ करते हो, like workout करते हो, तो आप उसको भी काउंट कर सकते हैं इसमें जाके accurate data. अब accurate होगा कि नहीं ये नहीं पता, बट इसमें डेटा कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं आप. इट इज हैविंग अ जंप रोप फीचर एज वेल, विच इज क्वाइट बेनिफिशियल फॉर जंपिंग थिंग, मतलब कि जिनको वर्कआउट का काफ़ी ज़्यादा शौक है. लिटरली इट इज हैविंग एन इंडोर साइकिलिंग फीचर एज वेल. इफ यू आर डूइंग साइकिलिंग इंडोर्स, देन या इट कैन रिकॉर्ड दैट एज वेल, बिकॉज on previous generations like Mi Band 4, it uses like GPS thing for like cycling thing, for counting the cycling. But if you are doing it indoor now, then it is not possible, like you can simply go ahead and find out how much cycling you've done yet. So yeah, in this particular Mi Band 5, it is quite easy for you guys to just find out how much cycling you have done. Now the last thing that this band is having is the yoga feature. So yeah, it is having yoga this time, and yeah, it's kind of good feature that it is having. Now coming to the watch faces, this time Mi Band 5 is having 2 default watch faces. Like it will have more than enough watch faces, but as of now there are 2 leaked watch faces that you guys can see on the screen right now. So that's it for the video guys. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this. Catch you guys later on the next coming video. Till then, peace out guys, and bye bye.